Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So, up in the snow, but still working. So we need to sort out these platinum horses that were released a couple of weeks ago. So we've now set up a form, and you can see the link to that down in the description below. If you're interested in getting one of the platinum horses from us, this is an expression of interest form. So fill it in, name, details, and you'll see there's a tick box at the bottom. Now, if you've got, or you had, I should say, unallocated platinum at the time of the horse release, and you want to use one of those ounces to convert into a platinum horse, then tick that box, because we've actually put part of the allocation to the side to fill those orders, and then everyone else will go into the normal EOI. Don't stress if you don't get the part of the platinum unallocated EOI. Your name will automatically roll into the general EOI for it. So we just like to try and keep some away for the people who kind of save up throughout the year to convert their stuff into the horses or whichever release we're doing. So that's why we've moved a few across to there for the people with the unallocated at that point for that intention. All right, put your name down, send it in. Fairly quick process. We'll get back to you within a day or so. You've got until close of business tomorrow, which is Tuesday the 23rd of September, I believe, to fill in the form, and we'll make the decisions after that. That's it. We'll talk again very, very soon. See ya.